This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we've got something that was sent in by a reader named James from Lakeside, California. He sends stuff all the time. Cool dude, thank you very much. This I've been looking for a while. My buddy Stumpy in North Little Rock, Arkansas told me about it. This is Ramen Delight by NeoStar. It's their savory chicken flavor. He said he did not like it, and I guess we'll have to give it a try. Give my professional opinion on it. Comes with a fork, and what's interesting about this fork is it's wrapped in plastic, but it's a little fork. And then we have the noodle, and then we have a we got some powder base here. I'll let you see every single tantalizing. Smells, I don't know what that smells like. And then we've got this. This is definitely a product for the US market. Turn it off! Get it away! No, turn it off! Oh my God. Nope, nope, put it away. No more. No more, okay? Ladies and gentlemen, I'll be blunt. I think the Disney company owes us a lot of money. Why, you ask? Well, I'll tell you. Oh, and you add in 300 mils of water. I thought that was interesting. It just... Is there a line? If there's a line, I'm not seeing it. 300 mils of water. Boy, that's... Okay. And then cover it tightly. I liked that aspect. For 3 minutes. I'm putting this on top. I think that'll... I'll put the sesame seeds on top of it to tighten it down. Set it for 3 minutes. So the kids are really into Frozen. They sing the song over and over and over and over and over and over and over again. From the music from Frozen 1 and the music from Frozen 2. And they both sing it. It's cute. I mean, they like it, but there's a limit. And I think Disney owes us like licensing fees for our kids' brains. That's the way I see it. That's like the big thing over here. Not only my daughter, but my son too. My daughter's like way into it though. She wants a backpack that has it on it. She's got a backpack that has Anna and Elsa on it. She's got socks, shirts, everything. It's pretty hardcore. I think it's an addiction. I think what they're doing is trying to control my children's minds, and it's a little much. If that's their goal, they're doing a bang-up job of it. But anyways, yeah, midwinter break, day 1. Yeah. Hopefully it'll work out good. I think it will. I've already got, this is my second one I'm doing today, and it's just about noon. They've already had their lunch, and things are going pretty good. I did a special post in the Ramen Junkies group. There's been a lot of crazy business in there recently. Well, at least recently for me. It's February 21st. And for you, it's probably like almost June. It probably is June now. But anyways, big thing about vertical chopsticks in the food bowls that generally was just like, no, don't do that. You know, some people get offended by that. And it's like a cultural thing. Some people are like, I can do anything I want to do in my own house. Well, that's true, you can, but when you share it, it is a private group. But when you share it with 70,000 people, that's not so private. So, you know. But some people really had a tough time with the whole idea. It's like that it's not their internet and it's an internet that they share with other people. So it's just like. And the other one that they didn't like is that I abhor clear bowls. I mean, I like clear bowls. They've got a place, but they're called pinch bowls. You don't eat anything out of a clear bowl. Don't do it. I had people, but I'm poor. I can't afford a non-clear bowl. BS. Go to the thrift store, spend a dime. There's somewhere with free bowls somewhere around you. I guarantee it. It's true. There are clear bowls or non-clear bowls for you. There's probably a buy nothing group. It's like, if you're so poor that you can't afford this or that, how are you on the internet? I don't understand. Okay. Oh boy. It really said 300 mils. Oh my god, this is so underdone. It's so not right. Where is it? Yep, 300 milliliters or 1 1/4 cups. This noodle looks really, really funky. It's like that. Let's give this a try. I'm gonna make it beautimous. Oh my god, that's salty. I'll tell you right now, that watermark, or the lack of watermark, and incorrect instructions on how much to use in this, that kills it. This is like a salty mess. That's how the broth looks. Ugh. All right. I have to save this poor noodle. We're just gonna use some hot water. That should make a big freaking difference. It may still be just way too freaking salty. It might need more water. That's looking more like the part. That's better. However, I review based on package instructions, and unfortunately, this is freaking wow. Use this one. There we go. This stuff is just like, no. But I'm gonna make it beautiful. At least that's my thoughts on the whole thing. Two. Come on, let's all get together. Throw in some mung bean sprouts. I'm giving this sucker the works. Do the egg action. Come on, work with me, work with me. eggs. Do our spring onion. Do some sesame seed. I'm trying to save it from what it is. I don't know. Even though it's salty as freaking can be, I can't like at least make it look nice. I'm gonna use some of this Laugan Ma spicy chili crisp. A little bit of love sludge. Right there. God, is there anything else I can throw at this to make it more? I'm gonna throw some pepper flake on it even. Should I do it? I'm doing it. I'm not gonna lie, this is a 0 star. That's like no problem giving it 0 stars. The noodle's kind of spongy, but the salt factor, the way this came out, it's just wrong. It's like if you change the instructions a little bit, this would be a 3.5. But no, the way it is, oh God, no. Cheers, enjoy. Alright, wow, that's enough of that. Next one we got was sent to me by Dan over at Exotic Nudes. Go to exoticnudes.com and use the coupon code TheRamenRaider for a discount. This is one that he had in his last month's box, but I didn't have any. He didn't have enough boxes left to send me another whole box, but he sent me this one. This is Bullhead from Taiwan, and this is their dry noodle spicy Szechuan pepper flavor. So along with this, I'll give you the weird story of the thing that I told you that I was going to tell you last episode on the next episode. So cool, do it. Yep.